Good evening, tutor and partner. My name is Jamie Castro. Next, explain to the point. Valuate method used to establish the price and the reason of the selection. The method used to establish the price of the software offered by company the software Colombia S.A. was the worker approach since its emergent technology and has an uncertain future. It is more optimal that the both parties take reference of similar products that they have already been offered in the market by these or other companies and thereby determines the possible risks and benefits to have. Finally is a conclusion of the topic address. The importance of preparing the negotiation of the technology is that the two parties have the space to the negotiation as perspective they have on the agreement. This is a being made, blockages are avoided, and the end the negotiation is successful. Thank you.